Well, howdy folks. Hey, thanks for watching. I am going to show you a product review today. And in this product review, I'm going to show you what they call the Driller's Dust Bowl. Isn't that cool? So I'm going to show you this in action on a video. I put in some lights in my house. That video will be coming up if you want to see that. Make sure and subscribe so you won't miss it. But I put in some wafer lights in the ceiling of my living room, and I used this dust bowl. Now there are different versions of this. You can actually get one that already has the drill bit with it. It's got an adjustable drill bit with like a knife blade, and you can adjust that knife blade out. I'll show you a picture of that right here. I opted for this one. It's cheaper, and I had a hole saw, so I didn't want to buy the one with the bit because this works with any bit you use. And it's pretty slick, so we're going to see how it works, and then I'll let you know if I like it or not. I'm getting ready to drill a couple holes right now in the ceiling. I will leave a link to this in the description below on Amazon if you're interested. So to put this on your drill, you take your drill bit. This is the bit I'm going to be using, and you just put it through there like that. Take your drill, tighten up your drill, chuck it in there good, and you're ready to go. So I'm ready to drill. I already got a mark on the ceiling, so I'm going to drill a hole and see how it works. So right here's my mark. All you do is you put this up there. You can see through it, and really all you do is you collapse this bowl, and you can see where your mark is, and you start drilling, and this is the scary part. So there it is. Did I catch all of it? Let's take a look. So here it is. It did pretty good. The thing stays collapsed, so it holds everything in there. Let's see if I can show you a little bit better. There, can you see that? How it collected everything around the edge, all the dust. Now I can just dump that out wherever I need to dump it. And let's check the couch and see how it did there. I did put a blanket down. I don't see any. I'm trying to look real good, but I don't see any dust on there. So what would I say about the dust bowl so far? So far, so good. It's the Driller's Dust Bowl. It's made by Manram. It's working pretty good. Now, durability, I don't know. This is the first time I'm using it, so time will only tell. I know this was a short one, but that's all right. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And I pray that God blesses you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.